Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever asked an AI to describe a picture only for it to get the facts completely and confidently wrong? This phenomenon, where AI models generate false information, is often called hallucination, and it's a huge problem. As you can see in this example, a powerful AI model correctly identifies a historic building, but completely messes up its name and location. This is a major roadblock for using these powerful tools in areas like education or historical preservation, where accuracy is critical. But what if we could give these AIs a fact-checker? That's exactly what researchers explored in this paper, Beyond Generation, Multi-Hop Reasoning for Factual Accuracy in Vision Language Models. They developed a clever framework to force the AI to verify its claims before outputting a final description. Let's look at how it works, using this diagram as our guide. First, the standard AI generates an initial, potentially flawed, caption for an image. Then, the system's entity extraction module kicks in, acting like a detective pulling out key names and places from the caption. The next step is the knowledge graph navigation, which is like checking those names against a trusted, super smart encyclopedia. It confirms which entities are real and which ones might be hallucinated or made up. After verifying the entities, the fact verification stage checks the relationships between them. For instance, is the Lalbagh Fort actually located in Dhaka? To do this, they tested 3 different ways of storing facts: simple connections, hierarchical trees, and bullet points. Finally, the caption correction module takes all the verified facts and rewrites the original caption to be accurate, while still sounding natural and fluent. So, does this AI fact-checker actually work? The results are very promising. Looking at their evaluation, the researchers found that their system reduced the number of hallucinated entities by nearly 32%. They also found that different fact-checking formats had different strengths. Using a hierarchical structure, like a family tree for places, was best for overall factual accuracy. However, using a simple bullet point format was better at keeping the corrected caption sounding natural and coherent. So, let's recap the big takeaways from this research. Current AI models that describe images often make up facts, which limits their usefulness. These researchers built a modular, step-by-step fact-checking pipeline that forces the AI to verify its claims against a knowledge base. This system successfully cut down on factual errors by about a third, making the AI's descriptions significantly more reliable. What does this mean for the future? This work paves the way for more trustworthy AI systems. Imagine AI-powered educational tools that provide accurate historical context for images, or systems that can reliably archive cultural heritage. By teaching AI not just to see, but to verify, we get one step closer to building multimodal systems we can truly depend on. Thanks for joining us on Summarize Science.